Don't only be cold with a wristwatch.
Was that the time?
Yeah, bro.
Is that the time, guys?
My time,
Oh my god, bro.
Waste my time.
I'm so famous I got a TikTok, but I don't waste my What's up, JK fam? And we back with another video. Church! Guys, today, church, we're back.
Yo, guys, we're back with Mr. Upchurch.
It's been a minute, guys, to all the
dropped a new
Creeksquad
song,
fans
guys.
out there. You guys, if you're new, you already know. We're
Gotta
the
hit the
JK
subscribe,
bros.
like,
Look at
comment,
the subscribe.
everything, you know?
Look at these dudes.
And look at these dudes. Dudes.
These duds.
Duds.
Look at his duds, guys.
Look at his duds.
Look at the duds, guys. Alright, so you already know. We're ready. We're excited.
And let's
Is
go.
this a hip-hop beat?
I don't know. We'll see,
We'll
bro.
find out. All right.
You know, bro, sometimes you can do like...
Whoa, tell you. Yeah, hip-hop.
Church. Yeah, I'm back, motherfuckers.
Yes!
They mad cause my little fucking profile picture ain't popping up on their stories. Church.
Church!
Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. I'm your dad. I'm your dad. You see my spot. You see my spot. It makes you mad.
Yes!
With rap you drop out. And I'm a grand. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Got a text last night about hateful spite. Somebody say a nigga body me up on the mic. Yeah, right. Stay looking in the mirror, not even up in the venue, ain't getting stage fright. My pencil point got more lead than a pistol, boy. Thinking that you.
My pencil point got more lead than a pistol.
Church.
It's been a minute, bro.
Bro, we like...
Where'd you go, bro? Stop camping. Stop, bro. Get in the studio, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Or it's been us that's been slacking.
No, we need beats like this,
Yo,
guy.
man, it feels like you're hungry now, bro.
Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Got a text last night about hateful spite. Somebody say a nigga body me up on the mic. Yeah, right. Stay looking in the mirror, not even up in the venue, ain't getting stage fright. My pencil point got more lead than a pistol, boy. Thinking that you got a genius boy. It's like a little kid dressed as a baby cowboy, popping paper tabs with a fucking toy. Don't piss me again like always. I wish you would, I'm a saw blade. I'ma cut through the underground game like I need to remove the trash down in the crawl space. Infinite ammunition like an arms race. Firing every shot with a ball face. Erase the hip hop database spotless. Then he's even being honest. Honestly, bitches be gossipy. I'm such a star. My nickname astronomy. Heard you with a pen and pencil, then cut all your throats with my pockets.
Your voice got to be a little bit louder, bro. Hella, man. But it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Miss me again like always.
The trash?
Yeah, the
underground?
I'm stuck with the ammunition something, bro.
With a paper little baby cowboy?
No, that's like the kid likes to be dressed as a cowboy with a little paper, like a gun
Yeah,
toy.
that's what the dudes look like.
Like they haven't evolved.
Kind of.
They're like cross-playing.
What cross-play, bro? Jesus Christ, put it back.
He's like erased the
hip-hop, the
list
data?
of the data.
The data?
Exactly. And
Delete.
Why delete?
I'll delete.
Why I'll delete?
Because you delete the data.
Bro, the beat is fire though, bro.
My nickname astronomy. Heard you with a pen and pencil, then cut all your throats with my pockets is full of apostrophes. You are not on the only a wannabe. Dude, you're an asshole.
You're not a what, but you're only a wannabe. What?
Anonymity.
Honestly, bitches be gossipy. I'm such a star. My nickname astronomy. Heard you with a pen.
Okay, I'm just a star, bro.
Astronomy, bro.
Okay, bro, can you finish the phrase? Don't say just the word, bro.
You have to just say it like that.
Being honest. Honestly, bitches be gossipy. I'm such a star. My nickname astronomy. Heard you with a pen and pencil, then cut all your throats with my pockets is full of apostrophes. You are not on the only a wannabe. Dude, you're an asshole. Nope, sodomy. And I ain't sorry for being that hunky when y'all faker than Morgan Wallen's apology. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. I'm your dad. I'm your dad. You see my spot. You see my spot. It makes you mad.
Make you mad.
Rap, you drop it out. And I'm a grand. Look at these dudes.
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 Look at this dude.
What?
They get you mad.
Because he has a spot in hip hop.
And they're mad at
And they're mad. They're being little cowboy boys, bro.
him. He got the Lambo, bro.
Cowboy.
And they don't.
It's a new one or it's the same one? It's like the same
No,
one.
it's the same one.
Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. Look at these dudes. I'm yo so famous. I got a TikTok, but I don't waste time on. Don't only be cold with a wristwatch. I don't
Was that
wear
the
when I
time?
make time.
Yeah, bro.
Is that the time, guys?
Waste my time,
Oh
yo.
my god, bro.
Waste my time.
I'm so famous I got a TikTok, but I don't waste my... Yo, what's up with you, man? You good?
Yeah,
You're
bro.
right, man.
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
You're like this a lot, you, today. I wonder why.
Okay, got my answer.
A buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me. I guess I'm hosing you off. If your mouth is still open when you talking shit, you flushing my sauce. Scientific.
If your mouth is local, if you're talking shit.
Something. Yeah, run it back, bro, because that was
I
dope.
don't wear when I make time like a buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me. I guess I'm hosing you off.
What was that, bro?
I sneezed, bro.
Okay, yeah. What do you say when you sneeze?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, run it back, though.
If your mouth make time like a buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me, I guess I'm hosing you off. If your mouth is still open when you talking shit, you flushing my sauce.
Oh,
I like that.
No, wait. The reference was good.
Watch, I don't wear when I make time like a buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me.
You're gonna be thirsty for me.
Go
But
up.
if you're talking shit, I'm gonna close the lid, right?
Only be cold with a wristwatch. I don't wear when I make time like a buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me. I guess I'm hosing you off.
I guess
I'm hosing you off.
Okay.
If your mouth is still open when you talking shit, you flushing my sauce.
You're touching my sauce.
That's what I heard, bro. You're touching my sauce.
Yes, I'm hosing you off. If your mouth is still open when you talking shit, you flushing my sauce. Scientific mad guy, I'm with it. You the kind of say, be more Pacific. I'm the kind of design hieroglyphic. Even when you try to copy me, your mimic is a sloppy copy with some fingers missing. You couldn't
Bro,
show.
pause
He's
this,
going
bro.
complex, huh?
Yo, the hieroglyphic,
Yo,
bro. You cop me, yo, bro.
He's going insane.
Scientific mad guy, I'm with it. You the kind of say, be more Pacific. I'm the kind of design hieroglyphic. Even when you try to copy me, your mimic is a sloppy.
Even if you're trying to copy me,
you mimic.
Copy with some fingers missing. You couldn't shoot a bird.
You're rapping with some fingers missing. Jesus Christ, guys.
Run it back,
Let's
bro.
run it all. Let's
Yeah.
go. Okay, shut up, man.
No, you're pausing every 5 words, bro.
I'm not the one that
Like,
said.
enough is enough,
I was
bro.
trying to legit. Mimic. Hose. Like, bro, I'm trying to figure out what he's trying to say, bro.
No, bro, you paused 5 seconds, bro. Enough. That's it, bro. Guys, look at me, the controller.
I don't wear when I make time like a buck, and you gon' be thirsty for me. I guess I'm hosing you off. If your mouth is still open when you talking shit, you flushing my sauce. Scientific mad guy.
What are you rapping and you don't even know what he's saying? What do you mean by sauce, bro? What is he saying by sauce?
The sauce, bro.
Bro, you're rapping like you're feeling it, bro. So tell me what
You gotta feel it, bro.
What is he saying, bro? with the
Bro,
sauce,
you're talking shit, bro.
You're talking shit,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
The sauce,
Be
my
more
ass,
Pacific.
bro.
I'm the kind of design hieroglyphic. Even when you try to copy me, your mimic is a sloppy copy with some fingers missing. You couldn't shoot a bird with fucking sign language. So many people
You couldn't
booing.
even shoot a bird.
Well, you just paused 5 seconds now, bro.
I know, bro. But that was good.
That was sick. That was sick.
Mimic is a sloppy copy with some fingers missing. You couldn't shoot a bird with fucking sign language. So many people booing at your shows. Only time you rap is to a blind bandit. I say it's okay, niggas.
Only time you're rapping is to what?
You're this
Is it me or the vocals should be a little higher?
Yeah, the vocals. Just
I feel like the audio is not that great, you know? Just vocal wise, it should have been a little
Try to
higher.
copy me, your mimic is a sloppy copy with some fingers missing. You couldn't shoot a bird with fucking sign language. So many people booing at your shows. Only time you rap is to a blind bandit. I say it's okay, niggas.
So wait, what is that?
I don't know, bro. But it sounded good, bro.
Yeah, it sounds like a pure diss, like there's
yeah.
nobody there type of shit, you know?
Something like that.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm thinking of that. But anyway.
So many people booing at your shows. Only time you rap is to a blind bandit. I say it's okay, niggas. I can and did, and I will continue to dish out.
Is he saying the N-word or no?
No, he's not.
Okay, I
don't think
hope
so,
not,
no.
because I heard it in the beginning at one point.
No, I don't think so, bro.
No, eh?
No, bro.
I'm just saying, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm hearing
Go
it.
to war on the mic, I tell everybody and be the last motherfucker to stand it. Then sweep all your parts to the side, so other rappers can examine. To see what happens to these motherfuckers when you bother the God that is mine and his blood. Look at these dudes, look at these dudes. I'm y'all's dad. You see my spot?
Of course, it's 10 on 10.
It makes you mad.
Makes you mad.
Rap, you drop that. And I'm a grand.
I'm a grand.
Look at these dudes.
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 Look at these dudes. Ah.
You see my spot, you see my spot. It makes you mad. With rap, you drop that. And I'm a grand. Look at these dudes.
Look at these dudes.
Look at these dudes.
Look at these dudes.
I'm y'all's dad.
I'm your dad, bro. Yo, whoever is dissing, bro, God bless you, bro, but
It's a good diss.
Yeah.
It's a really good diss back, man. Sometimes I felt like the audio is uncomprehendable, but I still had a fantastic time listening to it. It's been a minute. You know, I mean, our heads have been adjusted back to like,
bro,
you
like,
know?
bro, I liked it.
We need
though.
more
I liked it.
southern hip hop, you know, so if we could get back into the game. But
Nah, I like when Upchurch goes on these type of beats, bro. Like
Yeah.
the one with Young Buck.
yeah,
Yo, come on, bro.
I'm still my favorite one is YZ, man.
Yeah,
I still like my favorite
I
one.
really
from him.
liked it with a Young Buck. It
But
was
he's
so
a really
hype.
talented artist. You already know he's really talented.
He's talented, bro. He can do like
But
country
again-
music, like follow me every day and all right.
Piss in the sea. What was it again? Yeah.
Fish in the sea, bro.
I know, bro, but I always thought when I was young was piss in the sea.
But guys, let us know more Upchurch, bro.
Creeksquad!
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 Let us know more of Upchurch if you dropped anything new. But guys,
If you're new
if you're new to
and
the
you
channel,
like what you saw, click on the like, guys. Click on the like. Give us. That's how we know that you guys enjoyed the
comment
video.
the whole package.
Yeah.
But guys, the JK Bros,
we gotta go,
and we'll see you on the next video.